भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
बहुत स्वागत है आपका। भारतीय न्यूज़ के साथ आप जुड़ चुके हैं। IEEE दिल्ली सेक्शन का फर्स्ट डे और लगातार यहाँ पर सेक्शंस जो है वो चल रहे हैं। सेशंस में हम देख पा रहे हैं कि नए नए एमिनेंट जो स्पीकर्स हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ही अच्छी बातें जो है वो बता रहे हैं, एक्सपीरियंसेस अपने शेयर कर रहे हैं और बहुत नए इंसाइट्स जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स इन सेशन से ले पा रहे हैं। इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं गणेश सहाय जी, जो कि CTO नगारो हैं। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है गणेश जी आपका।
Thank you so much.
There was a very interaction session with the students. How was the experience, sir?
It was awesome. Always a pleasure to come back to colleges and recall your college days and share whatever we have learned through our life with the students, and get them excited, right, to do something great in the future.
So, how's the experience, coming in BVI camp?
No, BI camp is amazing actually. I think I've known for it because Dr. Professor Huda, he had asked me to do some online sessions earlier, but this is the first time I've come to the campus, and I was amazed with the presence of students over here, the energy, and the way they participated in the discussions, right? We have some of the students who are working at Nagaro with us, right, and some have been working for many years. So yeah, it was good to experience the campus firsthand.
तो किन किन टॉपिक्स को टच किया सर? कौन कौन से इंसाइट्स जो है स्टूडेंट्स के साथ में शेयर किए गए?
See, I shared with them to start with, to set a background context, that how human species have evolved and how they have been basically multiplying their capabilities and creating new things over the years, right? So let us say the whole activity is centered around their personal life, their family life, society, right, or social life, right, and professional life. And that has been the driving force for people or the humans to do whatever they are doing in their life, and it has touched various areas. So for example, I touched upon how communication and transportation has evolved till 2005, 2015, 2025, and from here onwards, let's say in the next 10 years, how it is going to evolve. Now, one of the underlying things which is playing a pivotal role is AI. Right, how AI has evolved over these segments of years, right, and what we are looking forward to, in the next 10 years. I briefly touched upon that part.
थैंक यू सो मच सर भारतीय न्यूज़ के साथ बात करने के लिए, और बहुत ही इंटरैक्टिव सेशन जो है वो लगातार IEEE में हम देख पा रहे हैं। IEEE के बारे में मैं आपसे ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी। IEEE के बारे में भी कुछ बताइए।
I think IEEE, we have known it since my college days at IIT, right? They are doing a wonderful job, right? And the way I see, basically, they create these events at the college levels and have students, faculty, industry experts participate is amazing actually, because building this bridge, right, is very important, and IEEE is doing a fantastic job in that. Right?
थैंक यू सो मच सर भारतीय न्यूज़ से बात करने के लिए। गणेश सहाय सर हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए थे, जिन्होंने बताया कि IEEE किस तरह से बहुत मेजर रोल जो है वो प्ले कर रहा है और डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स को लेकर बातचीत जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स के साथ में की गई।